How to fix the referenced account is currently logged out and may not be logged on to. So if you want to fix this problem, then follow the steps. So there are 9 solutions. The first one is you need to wait for 30 minutes. As before mentioned, there is a setting to configure how many times wrong passwords be typed. And also there is a setting called account lock threshold, which is used to set how long to wait if you are logged for the first time. Default setting for this threshold is 30 minutes. So if you see this error and your account is logged, then we suggest you to do nothing but wait for 30 minutes and then try to log in again. And if that doesn't fix your problem, go with the second option or the second solution, which is remove account lock threshold. To fix the reference account is currently logged out and may not be logged on to error, you can remove the account logged out threshold. First step is hit the Windows key plus R to bring up the run box. And under run, you need to enter seccpol.msc. So right click on your Windows, go with run, and then search for seccpol.msc. And then go with OK. Now a local security policy will open up like this, where you just need to simply go with the option of account lockout policy under your account policies and then go with account lockout threshold. You need to double click on it and then enter the value of 0 and then click on apply and click on OK, and then you need to reboot your Windows and your problem might be fixed. Or the third one is you need to check your DNS settings. You check the DNS settings in your computer, you may be able to find out your problem and fix it. Type control panel in the search box and click open up the control panel. Once you open up the control panel, click on the network and sharing center. And then click on the change adapter settings on the left, which is right here. And after that, right click on your network connection and select the properties. Now double click on the Internet Protocol version 4, choose the obtain DNS server address automatically and click on OK to save and check your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't, then set your account password to never expire. Open up your Windows and you need to press the window key and R to open the run box, or you can simply right click on your Windows and then go with run and it will open up the run box. And under your run box, you need to enter LUS or MGR.MSC and then go with OK and click Users tab on the left and then right click on your account name that is logged to select properties. Under the General tab, you need to check the box for password. Here you will have password never expires. Click on apply and then click on OK and then reboot your Windows and your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't, then go with clear cache credentials from your computer. Type in Credential Manager under your search bar and then go with Credential Manager to launch it. Click on Windows Credential on your screen. Under the generic credentials, choose a credential you want to remove and then click on Remove. After removing, try to log back in again and your problem might be fixed. And the sixth one is you can reset your password. But if that doesn't fix, then change your computer system date. Press on the Windows key, open up your settings, and then click on Time and Language, which is right here. And then turn offset time automatically and then manually set a different date for your system. And try logging in again after restarting your Windows. And after that, the next is updating Windows group policy. Click on the CMD in the search box and then right click on it, go with Run as Administrator. Click on Yes and it will take you to this kind of interface where you need to enter a command which is gpupdate/force. Enter that in the command prompt and then run the command. And after that, log in again and see if it's fixed. And the last solution is to reinstall the Windows system. Once you've done that, your problem will be fixed. So these are the 9 ways through which you can fix your problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.